Hello students, the question is from the DSA. There you have to calculate the cyclometric complexity for the following code. Okay, so the cyclometric complexity of a section of a source code, section of a source code is the count of the linearly independent paths through the source code. Okay, through the source code. So according to the given source code, I will write you the diagram, the control flow diagram, what it will be. Okay, so the diagram will look like int function int a int b. Okay, so there will be a while loop while a is not equals to 90, then it will go for another instruction, that is if a is greater than b, then two instructions will be followed, true or false. So false will be what? B equals to b plus 1. If it is true, it will follow a equals to a plus 1. Okay, so yeah, and then we have to return a, right? Return a. Okay, so this will be the end. So this return a will be followed by this statement also. So how many nodes we got? Actually, if I draw the diagram, this will be the return a, right? And this will be followed by, okay, if it is not satisfied, this loop will be continued, right? Means if this is not satisfied, okay, so this will be going on checking this value again. Okay, so the node will look like, see, this is true statement, false statement. Okay, this is the end statement. So this is the return a value. Okay, and it will keep on checking this value. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have number of nodes equals to 6 and edges is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So edges are 7. Okay, therefore cyclometric complexity I can calculate as 7 minus 6 plus 2. This is the formula actually. It is the number of edges minus number of nodes plus 2. So it is 1 plus 2, there is equal to 3. Another method, the simple method, this is the long method, right? Another method I will tell you, that if a source of code does not contain any conditional statement like while, if, okay, so if it does not contain any conditional statement, then the cyclometric complexity of the particular source code will be 1. Okay, but here if it contain if statement, then it will become 2. So here one if statement is there, right? So cyclometric complexity become 2. But here while statement is also there, so while will be executed once, so it will be added 1 also, because 1 will be added, because while will execute once, so that will 1 plus 2, so that will be a 3. So this is a simple method according to the according to definition. Means if it does not contain any conditional, so it will be 1. If it contains if statement, it is 2. And because it is containing two conditional statement, while and if, so for if it is 2 and for while it is 1, so 1 plus 2, that is 3. So cyclometric complexity will become 3. So the answer is B. Thank you.